What's going on, everybody? Today I got a nice little live stream for you guys right now. We're going to be talking about some things going on in this market because if you guys know, then you guys know I've been super busy in this market right now. It's looking like the beginning of altcoin season. Like I said, we're going to be doing the Birdman money hands. Hopefully some of the coins that we've been talking about are popping off for some of you guys, and Track is definitely one of those tokens. We're going to be talking about them today because they're doing some new things with AI, so we want to touch on that a little bit. We're going to take a look at some of these charts and just some other thoughts on this market overall. We're going to be taking a look at some all-time highs. How far are some of these coins from their all-time highs, specifically in the RWA sector and the AI sector? We're going to be taking a look at all of those today, so let's just get right into it. Go ahead and smash those likes for me, and yeah, let's just go. So we're looking at Bitcoin right here. We had ourselves a nice big dip down to the 13 moving average. Now if you watch my channel, that's what I like to see. If you don't watch my channel, we always got to retest. Let me pull this up for y'all. We always got to retest the 13 moving average. Like, it comes down, it hits it nice and perfectly for this bull run, and then it's looking like it wants to chill out though for a little bit, maybe come back down and retest a little bit more. But nonetheless, when this thing starts going, it's just getting super bullish, like across the board right now. So that's just looking pretty good. When I turn this to the 3-month chart, things look very interesting. They look like they're ready to pop off. Like a target for this would be, ooh, I don't even want to get too bullish, but you know, some of those people who are calling for like that 300k Bitcoin, maybe it gets 75% of the level, you know, some crazy levels for Bitcoin, and that just means good things overall for the altcoin. So we're still looking at this market right here. Talked about this in the last live stream, but right now it's looking like altcoins want to continue on their way up. Usually the cup and handles want to fill out, so we can see that happening overall right there. But Bitcoin dominance is actually on the 3-month chart looking pretty good, but when we turn this on the weekly, it's looking like it wants to start making its way down. Hold on, here we go, here it is on the daily. So when Bitcoin dominance starts going down, then we'll see more of a of a nice altcoin season. Although I also do look at stablecoin dominance now, because a lot of people in the ecosystem nowadays just kind of like blow by Bitcoin dominance altogether. Like, you'll just go straight into stablecoins or go straight into the token that they want, since Coinbase has so many tokens. When I first started off, Coinbase only had like 4 tokens, but you know, so people still look at this to see. But also DXY is getting dumped on the daily, so everything is kind of spelling like, hey, this little dip that we're seeing in Bitcoin or whatever, like, whatever, it's not really going nowhere. Man, forgot I was live for a minute. What up, Pyatt? Where was I at? Okay, so right now we're looking at this altcoin season index, and according to this, it is saying that it's not altcoin season yet. And what they're saying is, basically, it's like if the top 50 or the top 100 cryptos are not outperforming Bitcoin, then it is not alt season yet. So just like looking at the Bitcoin dominance that we just talked about, we want that to go down for our altcoins to go up. And right now, it is not alt season quite yet, even though things are popping off pretty crazy. It's not really altcoin season yet. But looking at these RWA tokens right here, here's a list of them. A lot of these, I mean, some of these are hitting the all-time highs, but when we look at the AI tokens, we see that a lot more of them are actually hitting these all-time highs. So it is turning out to be one of the dopest narratives overall right now. So looking through here, we can see like Fetch AI, Singularity.net is at another all-time high. That's crazy. When I looked at that, I was like, what? I actually lost quite a bit of AGIX, sending them to the wrong address or something like that. But still got a nice bag of it. It's doing pretty good. And Ocean Protocol is 35% down from its all-time high. Some other good ones on here that I know of right off the bat is I do have some ROC, but it's still not really waking up too far yet. There's Hearts on here. I made a video about Hearts. Now it's still 74% down from its all-time high, which has some nice room to run. So let's bring that chart up real quick. Let's look at it on here. And this is one of the reasons why I wanted to bring this token to people's attention, because once it breaks, you know, this little area of resistance right here, there's not much of it before it goes up real far. Where's this at? 5 cents. And then we have like a top out right here at 25 cents. So that's about a 5x just getting back to where it was. But overall, this token is not really, it hasn't really been around for that long. So it, like, ever since it dropped in the bear market 2021, hasn't been around for that much time, but it is in this AI sector that we see is having the most all-time high breaks, and also a lot of stuff close to its all-time high. Look at this. You got Render right here, a point of percent away. It probably hit it yesterday. Prime, Numeraire. What's some other ones that I hold? There's Vector Space AI. This one has not been performing for me, but Phantasma, I didn't know Sol was an AI token. Do they switch over to AI? Is it like AI gaming or something now? They were kind of in those narratives. Y'all let me know if y'all have any tokens you want me to look at. But yeah, so right now these are the two narratives that everyone is pretty much talking about. So looking at this RWAs, out of these, the ones that I'm hyped up on, Ondu for sure is hitting all-time highs, and I was kind of late on that token. But LCX 16% from its all-time high. Goldfinch, Opolis, and Block Square, and StrikeX. So wanted to take a look at StrikeX again because I think it has major potential and it hasn't really started moving that crazy yet. And let's pull that chart up. Wait, what? Am I tripping? Okay, knew I wasn't tripping. Maybe it's just they just got on that exchange. But it's way down here, you know, at $15. All-time high is at $105 from 3 years ago. This is, oh, no wonder I'm on the wrong strike. I'm on the wrong StrikeX. Okay, yeah, this is the StrikeX I'm looking at. 25 million market cap. So yeah, this token's a lot older and it's down here in the gutter at 3 cents. All-time high is 33 cents. Yeah, no problem, man. I'm really just chilling. Like, you know, I didn't really prepare like a lot like content for a stream or anything. Like, these late night streams is just after a long day. I just be chilling, come on here and talk about some crypto with y'all and just do some research live, because sometimes I'll be finding some stuff and I don't get a chance to make a video about it since I've been really busy building lately. But I could just dump a bunch of them right here. So yeah, StrikeX, I don't know why it's only at 25 million. They got the Jupiter exchange, they got on-chain swaps with Avalanche. So it's definitely one to look at, but let's see if I can find the right chart. Yeah, strike X chart. I'm not tripping. It's TRX. It brought up Stark. Come on. Sometimes I gotta do the most. Ate up, but it's been moved. Started last year. It's been getting ate up since. It looks like the Luxo chart. But anyways, let's talk. I did have something that I wanted to say about Binance. So Binance is getting ate up. You guys be careful if you're on Binance. I don't have the article pulled up anymore. But like a lot of people, when you're trading on Binance, I don't know if you guys use Binance Smart Chain, but this goes for any DEX or any type of just any DEX that you're using. Don't be letting the slippage all super high, right? Because then people could go ahead and they can use a bot and basically just take your money. And so find a better way to get the tokens. If you can't get it without setting the slippage super high, that means you're trying to get botted. And like I said, I can't find the article. I had it pulled up, but basically it was saying that there's been over $1 billion this month in MEVBot transaction volume, which is crazy. And it should be illegal, but it's on the blockchain and it's in the back end, and your coder just taking advantage of the code. So just be careful about setting your slippage super high. Because a lot of people be like, oh, the transaction's not going through. Well, just put your slippage on 50%. No. You're definitely going to lose money like that. Don't be just doing everything all crazy. Polkadot 2.0 claiming that it wants to be considered in gaming. You know, I think Polkadot they actually have some good like, what is it? I don't know what they're gonna call them now, but they were the parachains. They had some good parachains in the gaming sector. 13 billion is actually, I didn't even realize it was that high. 'Cause I'm not holding any Polkadot right now, but I don't know. I feel like Polkadot is a contender, but the thing about it is like, if they just are gonna restructure everything with their Polkadot 2.0, it might take them a little bit just to get off the floor and like re-get that going, because they really spent the last 2 years doing the parachain auctions and stuff like that, and then they're switching up. So, but I still think some of the gaming plays on Polkadot will move, and let's see. I don't know exactly which ones because I haven't been keeping up with Polkadot. I try to use Polkadot. I didn't really like their user experience, but as far as investing, I probably do have some coins that are on Polkadot without even realizing it. But there is Trax token. If you have OTP, then let's see if I can find it. If you have OTP token, then now it is the Neuro token. Yeah, so there's this Neuro token, and it's not a lot. This was like 56, and then total locked 141. So this token right here, if you look at it, it's not out yet, but it's something to definitely keep an eye on. Oh, it is out. What the? Oh yeah, it's not out yet. Preview only. But this page actually wasn't here yesterday, which is crazy. At least I couldn't find it yesterday. But this is knowledge mining from Track right here. So Track is actually doubling down on their AI and all that. That's what I want to talk about this right here. They have a new white paper 3.0, and it says Retrieval Augmented Generation Framework, or DRAG, a novel concept at the intersection of AI and crypto and internet, which is pretty interesting. But it says the DRAG is a framework that allows AI solutions to tap into the strengths of both paradigms, the power of learning and the generalization capabilities of neural networks, with the precise and rule-based processing of symbolic AI. This enables AI-based agents, assistants, predictors, managers, blah, 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 to operate on a shared decentralized repository of crowdsourced knowledge, which is crazy. And then DRAG advances the model by organizing external sources in a decentralized knowledge graph, the DKG, which is Track, and introduces incentives to grow global and cloud source network for knowledge made available through AI models, which is crazy. It's all about, AI spoofing, and now it's like you see a bunch of problems with AI, right? There was that big thing a couple of weeks ago with Google, and how it wouldn't paint like a white person or something. It was like you could be like, give me people from history, and it just wouldn't. It would like you'd be like, give me like a founding father, and it was like an Asian dude and a black dude, and it's like crazy. But at least now with models like this stuff, we could source that data and see where it comes from. But this right here, the knowledge mining, like the DeSci is a new narrative that is getting a lot of hype, and it's getting a lot of investment into it, and I think people need to look at it, because if you look at where the VCs put their money, it's usually way before the rest of the crowd starts looking at it. But yeah, so this token's coming soon, and if you do have the OTP token and you go to your Polkadot wallet, you will notice that it's not there. So yeah, that's literally the only content that I have prepared. If you guys wanted to go ahead and let me know if there's anything you guys want to talk about. In the meantime, I want to just talk about some things that I've been working on. So I do have a project called Ohana DAO, and we are doing a giveaway on Luxo right now. If you want a chance to win, all you got to do is follow and tag 2 friends, and you will get these NFTs right here. But these NFTs, they don't look like much, but they are some passes. So you'll get access. If you own these NFTs, you're going to get other NFTs. So this one right here is by this artist named Sunny Days, and she does a bunch of cool art. But owning this NFT, it's like her Genesis NFT. And then this one right here is from Cupcode, and they're one of the first art projects on Luxo. And if you own this Cupcode, then you'll get a pixel art, and they got shouted out by Fabian. You'll get one of these base baristas pixel arts right here if you own that. So let me know what you guys are thinking. Right now, just feeling real bullish. Enjoying my time building. Did I do it right? But yeah, so if y'all got any questions for me, I'll let y'all, type them in the comments before I get out of here. If not, I'm gonna get ready to get some rest, and there'll be a new video up tomorrow with me and Beef talking about Luxo and some of the things going on there, some of the alpha that we have in that ecosystem. So yeah, I'm gonna get on up out of here. Thank y'all for tuning in. Nice little short live stream tonight. Till next time, y'all. Peace.